Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick and I'm back with day 6 of the March Crochet Life Hacks Daily Project Idea Series. I don't know. Life hacks, right? That's all we need to say. So this is day 6 and this is such a cute idea for anybody who's got little ones or little grandchildren who are losing their teeth. Right? So, not everybody feels comfortable with the idea of the tooth fairy coming into their bedroom and reaching under their pillow. I know my son wasn't. He said, "Put it under your pillow, Mom. I don't want some stranger in my room." So this is a really cute idea. If the little one feels a little weird about that, you can put the tooth right into this little pocket of this thing that you hang on the door. So I'm just going to open it up and take some screenshots so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, okay? I think this is adorable. So this pattern is available on Etsy for $3. I'm just going to take a screenshot here. And it's just really cute. Yeah, it's like a little tooth and it hangs on the door and there's a little pocket and you can put the tooth fairy's money into the pocket after you remove the tooth. I don't know. It's just a really cute idea. I think it's sweet, and I know my son would have really liked it. So let me see who this is by. It looks like it's by HC Crochets. So that is the name of the Etsy store. And like I said, it is available for purchase for $3. It is a digital download. I'm not seeing too much information about, yarn suggestions. Let's see, it is written in English, single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, half double crochet, increases, decreases. I don't think it looks like it's anything too difficult. Probably a fairly simple pattern. Anyway, let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I think it's really cute. Do you have any little ones who are losing their teeth and, maybe might like something like this? Let me know. I'm curious. Also, if you're interested in making this, go ahead and click in the description box below. There's a link. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. It'll take you there, and all you have to do is choose the picture of the project you want to make. You'll be hyperlinked, zoomed right to the pattern with no ads, and all of the links are in working order and everything like that. So yeah, feel free. That's what they're there for. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great March so far. I hope you're not dragging too much mud into the house. That's what happens here. It's very muddy in the spring. And until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye-bye.